a source of water. In fact, it promotes tourism. किताबमा लामो लामो सेन्टेन्स दिएको छ, मैले छोटो बनाइदिएको छु. It will be easy for you to remember even. Promotes tourism. Many tourists visit Pokhara, and their main attraction is enjoying in Fevatal, which is watersheds. Kulekhani, it is also popularly known as Indra Sarovar. Lamo area. This is also being popular for boating. And many people get benefit from it. It also provides employment opportunities in tourism sector, as well as the people residing in those areas. So, watersheds, waterlands enhance living standard of people. They earn good life standard utilizing the watersheds opportunities. Next slide, ma'am. If you have confusion regarding to these points, I may again explain it. Conservation of wetlands and watersheds. These are related to other factors also, very popular ways of conservation. This will be useful for further study as well. Afforestation. जहाँ हामी conservation को key points around गर्छ. Afforestation. हामीले forest लाई promote गर्नु पर्यो. Forest लाई revive गर्नु पर्यो. Manage गर्नु पर्यो. Like growth गर्नु पर्यो. Afforestation is the major aspect of conservation of wetlands and watersheds, as the sources of watersheds is a forest land which remain in hill. बोट बिरुवाले पानी रिजर्भ गरेर तल जमिनमा राख्छ, त त्यो पानी बिस्तारै कलेक्सन भएर चाहिँ वाटरशेड्समा आउँछ. त्यो वाटरशेड्सबाट नदीमा बग्ने हुन्छ. त्यसैले वाटर रिसोर्स को कन्जर्भेसन को लागि एफोरेस्टेसन इज इम्पोर्टेन्ट टास्क त्यो गर्नै पर्छ. कन्स्ट्रक्सन अफ चेक ड्याम्स. यो वाटरशेड्सहरु को ड्यामहरु जुन वरिपरिका बाँधहरु हुन्छ, वर्षातमा खास गरी यिनीहरुले अप्ठ्यारो पार्ने हुन्छ र बाहिरको पानी भेल आयो भने त्यसको सतहलाई पुर्दिने हुन्छ. त्यसरी पुर्यो भने त्यसको जुन डेप्थ हुन्छ त्यो घटेर जान्छ. जति पानी होल्ड गर्नुपर्ने हो त्यो होल्ड गर्न सक्दैन. त्यसैले चेक ड्याम्सहरु बनाउनु पर्छ यसलाई प्रोटेक्सनको लागि. बाँध हो ड्याम्सहरुको एप्रोप्रिएट बाँधहरु बनाउनु पर्छ यसलाई असर नपर्ने गरी. Construction of check dams is another way of conserving watersheds. यसलाई बचाउनको लागि, सुरक्षित राख्नको लागि. Controlling water pollution. We say that many tourism activities taken place in these areas. So unwanted human activities may pollute the water. So as conscious human beings, we have to conserve watersheds. We have to make watersheds free from water pollution. So there should not be given permission to run any sort of industries or factories which can pollute the water of watersheds. Drainage must not be mixed with this source of यो कुराहरु and last but not the least, public awareness is a must. Public awareness. People should understand through their heart that these are very precious gifts from the nature. This is not only for the present generation. This is the gift for coming generation as well. They should be also benefited of this. So one should realize it and should control their activities so that water sources, or you can say watersheds, waterlands, can be conserved properly. Conservation of watersheds is the mighty step for conservation of environment as well, because our target is to conserve environment as well. Water is one of the. Are you clear? Can you water sets?
Yes, sir.
Can you help? Can you support to conserve water sets? Diksha, are you getting? Mic on kar, yes. Now, environmental balance. How to balance an environment? Is our environment imbalanced? Yes. We find many effects due to environmental imbalance. So how can we maintain balance as the conscious living being? So to support an environmental balance or to make a study on environmental balance, we have to understand that there are two major factors that compose to our environment, or two major components. They are biotic and abiotic components. Abiotic components include non-living components: air, solar energy, soil, water. These are abiotic components of environment. Abiotic factor of environment. Shreya, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. So 4 factors I mentioned over here as abiotic components: air, solar energy, soil, water. And we all are familiar with these factors, and in coming slides we'll study in detail about it. Next slide, ma'am. Similarly, biotic components. It includes living beings,
Living
and it
things.
has, living things. And their categories are producers, consumers, decomposers. Producers, consumers,
Consumers and
decomposers.
decomposers.
Yes, and these all we will study one by one. Okay. Next slide, ma'am.
Sure.
So first of all, let's start from abiotic component, air. Air is important factor of our environment. Without air, life is impossible, as water is imminent factor. Air as well. It contains 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and
1%.
carbon dioxide 0.03%. It also contains water vapor and gases like neon, name of gas, helium,
Neon, organ,
argon, ammonia. These are gases found in air. During the process of photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide and liberate oxygen, give out
Into the-
oxygen into the environment. Use carbon dioxide and give out oxygen in the environment so that the balance of oxygen is maintained in the environment. We human beings take in oxygen while breathing. Oxygen is necessary for cellular metabolism. In our body, there are a number of cells, and those cells should function, release energy, and those energy we use to run this machine, human being machine. Our cellular metabolism function with the help of oxygen, takes place with the help of oxygen, so that we breathe in oxygen. Why? To release energy. And every organism needs energy to live. Anybody has question up to here?
No.
No, sir.
Carbon dioxide is liberated into the environment by plants and animals during the process of respiration. While we breathe in, take oxygen. When we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. Plants also liberate carbon dioxide. Animals also liberate carbon dioxide.